We're gonna be waxing at home. I'm gonna be doing my face, I believe my chin. We'll see if I do upper lip, and then at the end I'm also gonna do like my nose. I've seen them do it in the salon, like to remove blackheads. I don't know if it's good for you, but I'll try it this once. All right, using this beautiful kit I have here, just take a look at it. We'll be linking it down below. I trust wellness. Unbox this together. Try this out. I'm really excited. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Look at this. This is hard wax, guys. Have you ever tried hard wax? This is like my first time. It's the beans, different scents, eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, lemon, pre-wax, clean and moisturize after wax spray, which this will moisturize and smooth. What you will be applying your wax with, this is for the body, this is for the face. Wax warmer. This is so cool. Gloves, sprays, warmer. It looks like so. All the instructions here, which is really cool. So brings this. We'll have a discount code for you in the description. I might put it here on the screen. This was sent to me, but this video is not sponsored. This is literally first impressions. We're testing this out together. Let's connected it. You see how it turns on? And it goes all the way up to 257. Move the lid. This is what you put here on top, just so it doesn't get as dirty. Never done this before. I think the most important thing is make sure you don't apply this too hot. Try it in a small section first. Do not burn yourself. 5 bean bags. Of course, I will be trying the lemons. I'm just doing parts of my face. I don't think I have to use a lot. Oh, it doesn't smell too strong, like at all. So don't worry if you're sensitive to scents. I just think the color looks pretty, but scent wise, there's barely any scent to this. Drop these in. I put, I guess, like half of the bag. You can see that it's starting to melt. I do have it on the highest temperature. So we're gonna make sure to clean any area we will be waxing. This just removes any dirt, oils. So we'll be using these today. Literally tells you there no strips required. I think this is like a genius idea. One of these sticks, you could just mix it like a soup. You want this all to melt. Remember, you want the perfect consistency. You do want to be very careful with this. The warmer gets pretty hot. So I'm going to lower it to 150. You don't want to put this like burning your face. Just cleaning the brows. Oh, that smells really nice. Some in the stick and twisting it around. I will apply this. Be careful with your eyes. Ooh. This little section here first, and see how that goes. That's all you need. You don't need the strip anymore. We applied it the direction the hair grows. Gonna let it dry at least 30 seconds. Just touch it and see if it's dry. Feels pretty dry to me. That was really quick. Just want to lift a little piece here. Okay, you just want to pull it like this. You want to pull your skin. And ready? Oh dear. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that works so good. Look at this. Please focus. Do you see my hairs? Wow, that is so cool. That was good for the first try. Do this in small sections. Worked really well, I have to say. That was super easy. Apply it like here. Just in case you spread this like on parts that you do not want to pull, don't worry, you can put baby oil or quickly just put your hand and remove it. You do not want to do that. Definitely want to put like kind of a thick amount, not too thin. Okay. Really see it here if it focuses. See that? Brow, since it was my first, I can't say that I didn't pull some hairs that I did not want to pull, so be careful. That's why small sections. My chin. How pretty do I look right now? Let's do this. Again, you don't want to forget to pull your skin. I have like 3 hairs there on my chin, and it was driving me crazy. All of the blackheads part. Find out if it's okay. I don't even know if this is good for you. I've seen it done in my salon. That's why I want to try, but ow! What? I totally forgot to clean. I'm gonna do it again. I forgot to clean, and I don't feel like it did anything. I'm very oily, so sure, I do the pre-wax here. I have a spoolie, tweezer, and some scissors. I'm gonna clean up the brows a bit. While that dries, I'm gonna go in with the after wax, moisturize and smooth. Just gonna put that. Oh, so I'm just letting you know this feels a bit oily. So if you're doing your face and you break out, like, just be careful using this, okay? Just gonna put out my brows. Looking so much better now. My nose looks cleaner, but I don't know if I see a huge difference. Look at my face and see where I still need to remove anything, or just do a bit of cleanup. Any little hair, you can just do this. I do have to cut some hairs. You just want to take your heater and turn it off. My spoolie, I'll like brush the hairs up like this. Just cut a bit. If you don't feel comfortable doing this part, definitely skip it. You're not cutting the whole thing, you're just trimming them. Oh, that is a long one. You're looking a little red. Completely normal. Highly recommend this kit. You see this lasting you quite a while, especially if you're like just using it for your face. You use it for your whole body, you may have to repurchase the beans, probably the sticks. So happy. I was dying to like try this out so I can finally clean up these brows. What a difference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.